Gut health secrets the fitness industry won't tell you, Dr. Will Cole. Welcome to our deep dive into the secrets of gut health that the fitness industry often overlooks, with insights from Dr. Will Cole. Gut health is crucial for overall well-being, yet it's frequently neglected in fitness regimes. Dr. Will Cole emphasizes how an unhealthy gut can lead to inflammation, which potentially affects physical performance and recovery. He suggests that a diverse diet rich in prebiotics and probiotics is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Stress management is also critical, as stress can directly impact gut health and thus, overall fitness. Dr. Cole advises against overuse of antibiotics and other medications that can disrupt gut flora and degrade mucosal barriers. Regular testing for food sensitivities can help tailor a diet that supports gut health and optimizes physical fitness. Hydration is key. Drinking ample water daily supports the mucosal lining of the intestines. Fermented foods are superfoods for the gut. Incorporating items like yogurt and sauerkraut into your diet can boost gut health. Exercise itself can improve gut health by enhancing the diversity of your gut microbiota. Dr. Cole warns against the excessive use of harsh fitness supplements that might harm gut health. Finally, for those serious about fitness, integrating gut health into your routine is not just an option, it's essential for peak performance. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to enhance your health and fitness journey responsibly and effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on the bell for more health tips and updates.